Hello guys, welcome to my channel Genetic Coding. In today's video, we will cover the basic topic of Flutter which is called image. In our app development journey, image widget plays a very important role because every time in our app, whenever we want to represent something on our screen in the graphics or image format, then the image widget is coming into the role. So in this video we will discuss different type of concepts like picking up the image from the gallery and also picking up the image from the camera, and furthermore we will also discuss how to load image from the assets and also load the image from the URL. If we got some time in further video, we will apply some styling also. So first of all, we will work on how to pick up image from the gallery. So for this purpose, I've already make my class image class. I am assuming here that you already build your project in the Flutter, and you can able to run your project on the emulator. So for picking up files from the gallery or from the camera, you need a package which is called image picker. This is image picker. You can go in the Chrome browser. Here you will search image picker. Here you will install the latest version of the image picker package. I'm using in this video 1.1.2 package. So if you want to understand the clear concept and not want to produce any error in your application, please follow this version of package. Okay, so copy this package from here and paste it in your pub specs.yaml file. After placing it here, just press pub.get file. I'm already included this package in my project. You need to just add it and compile it. After compiling, just install your application from the starting so that so that our application will integrate the native methods also. So we have integrated dependency in our specs.yaml file. After integrating, just press on pub.get button and run it in your simulator. I will get back to you after running my application. So my application is now coming in the running state. Now we will start coding in our file. So just make a stateful widget which represent a screen. So we give it a name image class. After that, just make a body and we implement here a column because we will use many type of widgets here. I mean multiple widgets here. So we are using here column, and we will arrange our all the widget in the vertical form. So first of all we need a button on that. So first of all we need a button. By pressing that button, we will pick our image from the gallery or camera. So we will build a button. So it is making a elevated button and make this text a pick from gallery. Okay, so we are using our image picker. First of all, make a object image picker. We will call it image picker obj. So make object of image picker class. Now we have built our image picker object. This will help us to pick image from the gallery or camera. How? We are seeing now, where object, I mean image file. Okay, image picker dot. Now we got a method pick image, and this pick image return our x file, which is type of future. I mean, a type of future means we click on the button to pick the image. It will consume some time. So compiler assume that the file will come after some time whenever user will give permission or give data to pick up from the gallery. So it is asynchronous method and it give result from the future. So if it give result from the future, then we have to wait. So we will use a keyword await. Now pick image. So one mandatory variable is here, like source. Here we have to be define from which source we want to pick our image, whether we want to from gallery of the phone or we want to use the camera of our phone for picking up the image. If we are talking about camera, then we will capture image. If we are talking about gallery, then we will pick our image. So here we define our source. So for defining the source, just call image source dot. Here we have two values, camera and galleries. So here we define gallery. Now we got our file and it is returning a x file. So we will make a object gallery image. Now we will define it as a nullable variable. So after getting a value of image file, we will set this value to our global variable, which is gallery image. Okay, now we have assigned and pick up the image to the global variable. Now we saw what is it, what will happen on the screen. So when we click on it, before using this package, I mean this coding, you have to be changed in your iOS folder. In iOS, go to your runner file. After that, in info.plist file, just add these three lines. ns photo library uses descriptor, ns camera uses description, ns microphone uses description. The first key is defined that you need to access the gallery of user phone. So first key is for accessing the gallery and it is the description. We need to declare this description in this file because otherwise the iOS system will not allow you to access its gallery. So this is the disclaimer for iOS system, that we are using this permission for accessing your gallery for our purpose. In this app is updating the profile. Okay, same here, it is the disclaimer for the camera uses description. We are using this key for disclaimer that we are using this camera for capturing the image. And the third one is ns microphone uses description. This key is required for accessing the microphone. This key is required because whenever we record video and pick up the video, then we need also a microphone, because in video we capture video and visual effect simultaneously. Okay, so all the three permissions are required to include in the input.plist file. After that you are ready to go. So here we are already make our code to pick the image from the gallery. Now we can run our application. So when I click on it, you will see this will bring up option of gallery for us. So I will pick it. What? There is no effect on our screens. Why? We do not use this variable to represent on the screen. So we will use a image widget now. So we have different type of methods for representing the image data, like file, asset, network, and memory. Now we have a data in our X file format. So we will use a file. What this will accept a file, this type of file. So how we will convert it into our dart.io file type, because we have X file type data which is given by our image picker. So need not worry about that. Just pass path of that image which is picked by our system. So pick your gallery image and paste here path. Now it will convert it into your file, and we will also set a check. Until this gallery image is nullable, it will not use on the widget. Otherwise it will generate a null pointer exception. Okay, now hope you understand. This image is already picked by our system, so when I use it here, it get reflected on our screen. Now we will apply some effect on that image, because I want to make it circle. So wrap it in the widget called clip oval. Just wrap it in here. You will see this is in the oval form. What we want it in the perfect circular form. So for making it in perfect circular form, wrap it in the container, and we will give it fix height and width. Now we have applied the sharpness. What is it is not a perfect circular, so we will apply some decoration box decoration. Here we apply radius border radius dot circular. Now we have 200 width and height, so our radius should be greater than 100. And also we have to be give height and width here also. Height is 200 and width is 200. Apply fit box fit dot cover. Now you can see our image is come in the perfect circular shape. This is how we can apply circular form on our image. And now we have implemented how we can pick up image from the gallery. So I have no real device till yet, so I will not able to give demo on the camera, and emulator is not support any type of camera hardware, but I will give you demo on Android part from camera and gallery. So we will starting we will starting the testing on the Android part. Now I will run my app on the Android part. What before running on the Android part, you have to take care like the version which is using in the Android part, like for com.android.application should be 8.2.1. Okay, the version of your com.android.application plugin should be 8.2.1 version, because in our new ladybug update they remove the support before Java JDK 17. After Java JDK 17, the Android Gradle version 8.21 is supported. And also take care that in here gradle.wrapper.properties you will integrate this URL. Okay, I hope you will understand. Our app is already in running state, so pick on the button, pick from gallery. Now you can see our gallery is come here. What happened? I've already picked my image and it is not reflecting on the screen. I think somehow we have forget something here. What is it? Oh, listen. Whenever we got our value or our data, or we update some kind of data in our screen, then we have to we call a method which is called set state. Set state method is called when the data is updated, then it notify the user to reveal itself and tells the widget that data is changed. Now you have to be update your UI according to the change data. So now I will pick up this will, and this will update my image now. Okay, now I will copy whole thing here, just, and here I will demonstrate how we can pick up the image from the camera. Okay, now we will use another variable, cancel. We will give it a name camera image. Now make the object image picker. After that image picker dot pick image. Here we define a source which is called camera. After we got our file camera image, we update here camera image, and here we will use camera image, and we also check on camera image like that. Now we will apply it. We have pick from camera button. We will click on it. Now we have got our camera here. Now our gallery pick up the our camera pick up the image and reflected on the screen. Now this is the way we can get the image from the camera to our mobile. Now we have two more methods. Third one is how we can represent, like how we can represent our image from the assets. Assets mean sometimes we have a situation that we have already picked the image, like sometimes we have already made the design or some images available in our local computer, and we want to integrate these images in our app. So how we can achieve that? We can achieve that this way. First of all, you have to make a folder like this, assets. Make a folder asset here, like new directory, like asset 2. You can give it name like that. I'm already make that folder, so I'm deleting it here. And where your images find, like in your finder you have got your image here, just paste in your gallery whenever you make it. Okay, you paste your image in your folder and come in the pubspecs.yaml file. Here you will find a line which is like that, assets, just uncomment line. You will come in the pubspecs.yaml file, or you will find something like that which is commented. So just uncomment it, like remove the hash, and your a should be just your a, like of this word should be just below of this u, and this minus hyphen should be below to the second s. Okay, after that your assets name should be just below t. This is specifically a space sensitive file, so you have to be take care of that. So give a folder name asset, then image and your image address. After that come your class. Here we are using Image.file. What now we will use Image.assets. Now here we will pass our asset address. So our file is in assets slash images slash my image.jpg. Okay, now we will apply it here. Hope you understand. We reflected our image from the assets. Now similarly we can apply our network method also. In the network just use method image.network, and here you will pass a URL of the image. So you can get your URL image from the server or any type. I'm just pasting my testing URL, which is I got from the lorem pixum, which is open source. Okay, so here I will apply it, and it is load from the network. So these are our three methods which are majorly used in application development, because sometimes we need our image from the server, so we use our network method. Sometimes we need our predefined images and load into our app, so we use assets folder. And sometimes we have to be capture the image live, so we can we are be so in that type of situation we pick up image from the mobile and upload to the server. I hope you will get some knowledge from this video. If you find interesting and helpful this content, please like and subscribe my channel and support me so that I can produce more knowledgeable video for you and give you a perfect nearly good guidance in your career growth.